Good afternoon. I am going over the April kit lineup for my planner, and I actually moved my kit lineup to a print impression planner keeper just because I thought it would look super cute. And yeah, so I'm using the print impression planner keeper with the little like plastic sleeves that he offers. I'll try and link it down below, but I thought that this was a cute way to use this, and I think it like kind of displays my collections in like a really fancy looking way. So yeah, I have all of my March kits here that I still haven't like done because I'm a little behind. I mean, I guess only 2 weeks are eligible to be done, but I kind of like being like 2 weeks behind so that I can plan as I feel like it. But I do have my April lineup for y'all. I have pre-picked everything. I found that that's a little bit easier for me because I feel like my brain is a little bit too scattered sometimes. So let's go through it. I will say that the last week is tentative because I'm not sure, but I'll get into that. So let's start with the first week of April, and I just used, like I said, the sleeves from Print Impression. If you watch my previous videos, I've also used an Avery binder with like clear plastic sleeves. You can get those on Amazon. My Amazon like wish list idea list thing is down below, which has all of the things that I use and are all of my favorites. But yeah, I use these little stickers from my shop. So this would be for the week of April 4th to the 10th. And these are pretty easy to remove. You could either use undo or just like pick them up. Usually don't have too many issues with that. Or if you wanted, you could just put them in without stickers. It's not really a big deal. It just makes my life easier to remember. So the first week in April, the 4th through the 10th, I am using this Frozen kit because it is Reagan's birthday. If you don't know who Reagan is, it is Kirsten's daughter. Well, one of Kirsten's daughters. Sorry if you can hear any sounds in the background, but this is just the best day to film this. But she loves Elsa, Frozen. So I was going to use this in January, but I was like, hey, Kirsten, like, what is the plan for Reagan's birthday? And she was like, I don't know. And I was like, what about Frozen? And I was like, I can have some, like a custom box drawn for her. So this is a custom Reagan box, which looks so cute. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, whenever I saw it, I like squealed because it's even cuter than I imagined. And then these were offered in the shop as like a birthday add-on. So I just made me and Kirsten like a little sheet with both on there. But the Frozen kit by itself is available in the shop still, and it's just so pretty. And I think that there's like ice, so it kind of reminds me of winter, but then there's like the leaves, so it's kind of fall. So it's a really great like anytime seasonal kit. Also, I'm going to be in Disney this week, which will be my first time in Disney in over 2 years, which is just wild, and I'm so excited / nervous. But you know, we'll get there. We'll see. We'll fear, but you know. And then I have the extras that freebie, and then the add-ons, and then I have a bunch of a la carte items from different shops. So first thing from my shop, I do have the Mixed Metal Foil Bundle, which is the sparkle? I don't even remember anymore. Sparkle in the lavender hollow and regular hollow mix, which is gorgeous and I think goes perfectly with this kit. I think Knish just told me that this would go perfect, and I was like, let's do it. Then I also have this full box from my shop. It's in hollow, so it's a little hard to read, but it says some people are worth melting for, which I thought would be really cute. I also have the Ice Queen quotes, which I don't know. I probably will pull in like at least 2 maybe. I don't know. But I also have this one that says some people are worth melting for. I don't know. We'll just see the vibes because, I mean, it's whatever. And then I also have these, which this one has Kristoff. So these are from Plannahannah. These ones are. This one was a freebie. I just have too many quotes, okay? This is a Kristoff quote on this one that's in hollow. And then I also have the, why did I put this on here? I don't know, maybe because we're going to Disney and I was like, maybe I'd put other ones in there, but I don't know. And then I also have the Ice Queen overlays from Plannahannah, and then I also have the Ice Queen underlays from Plannahannah, and then I'm probably just going to put in, I'm probably going to have a lot of extenders, which is great because I love all of the boxes in this kit. So I'll probably need some regular ones because I only got one of the Ice Queen. I swear I haven't heard this like sound, like air compressor sound, in a while, and usually they don't work Sundays, so I'm like not even sure what's going on. Maybe it's in my house. I don't think it is. Sorry if you can hear it, but we're going to keep going. So this is the Ice Cream Underlays. I bought one because I figured I could just mix some regular bougie in there. Honestly, don't know how much of this I'm going to see because like I said, we will be in Disney most of the week. But it's going to be in there. And then I also have this from Planner Choco. This is like some little like twinkle bits, but they just for some reason remind me of Frozen, and I'm using Hollow this week, so I figured I would throw them in there. So that is the first kit. I might as well just keep it out of the cello since, you know, that's where we're at. So I'm going to go ahead and slip that back in. And I usually save my cellos like in case like something doesn't have a cello or I need an extra one because it happens sometimes. So this is the second week of April, which is Theo's second birthday, which I'm really excited about. This has some tentative elements in it. And if y'all know when you watch my hauls, this has changed up quite a few times as far as the foil that I'm going to use for it. And I'm still not 100% set on the foil that I'm using with it. So let me show you the kit first. This is the Shark Party kit, which sold so well. I mean, all of these kits this month sold so well. The last one's a mystery, so it hasn't had the opportunity to sell any more than it did. But all of these sold super well, which I was so surprised, especially Shark Party, because I was like, I know Baby Shark's super popular, but I mean, I should have known. Plus, this is really fun color-wise, which I feel like a lot of y'all like super fun kits. The banging, like, I have this thing, and I've probably mentioned it before, where I like hear noises, and if they're repetitive, they get louder in my head, and they drive me kind of insane. I don't know if I've mentioned that. I probably have. So I have the kit. I have some of the add-ons. And then I have the Fam 3. I was going to use the brunette for me, even though I have both. I could like cut it in the middle and make like a fun like half and half look. And then I have the little brunette. Well, I don't know. Maybe I got the blonde. No. Oh, wait, no, I brought this one because Theo has brown hair, and then I thought this one looked like Reagan somehow, so I was like, might as well use that too. Because what we're doing is because we're going to be gone Reagan's birthday weekend. We're going to do like a little cake for Reagan at Theo's birthday, and we're also going to celebrate Easter too, so it's just going to be like a huge celebration day, which I love. Then I have a bunch of foil here, like a ton of different foil, and I'm not even sure because Planner Choco, somebody please tell me because I just feel like uneducated, came out with Baby Shark. Like, I feel like targeted sometimes from Planner Choco because I'm like, how did they know I need this? This is very specific. Like, there was like a nostalgia one, a Baby Shark one, a dinosaur one, and I'm like, I feel seen. But I have the Crest Press. This is like a hexagon blue foil bundle, which matches perfectly. And then I have these underlays from Planet Hannah, which she also is coming out with shark ones. So I'm like, do I get those? I don't know. And then I also have these Planet Hannah overlays that were Baby Shark and silver. I know my core is going to be silver because I have so many. Like, I really want to use the You'll Always Be My Baby one. And then there's that bow. And then there's some like birthday Adorably Amy Designs things. And then some other birthday things and extra bits and bobs and bougies and blah, blah, blah. And then I also have these two different blues. This was like a Crest Press, like old foil bundle, but it's like a very similar color. And then this is a very old SPC foil bundle. But then, like I said, Planner Choco came out with Baby Shark stuff. So I ordered it all in silver and then like the light blue option. But I don't know if I'm going to like her light blue because I can't really ever tell with fun foil colors from pictures how they're going to look. So I figured if I don't like the blue, I'll for sure use the silver as like silver, and then I'll use the blue that I have. And if I like the blue, I'll nix some of the blue that I have and then use that blue and silver. Does that make sense? And then, I don't know. We'll just see. You'll see. It's going to be a surprise for all of us. I'm really excited about that. And that's probably the kit that I've like really switched up all of the stuff like 112 times. And I'm not like too mad about it. Then I have my birthday kit, which I'm going to be using the Labyrinth Kit because Labyrinth is my favorite movie of all time. I love these colors. This is very different than like basically every birthday kit I've ever used because usually I use something super pink and gold or hot pink or pink and mostly pink and some more pink. But I decided that this is my favorite movie and there's no better week to use this. It's also my 30th birthday, which I feel like old, but it's kind of like a bigger one, so it's perfect. And then I also have the add-ons, and then I have the Paper Shire Labyrinth stickers because no one's ever come out with Labyrinth stickers that I've seen. I think that there's somebody else, but I don't know where the stickers went. I think I saved them, but I don't remember where I put them because they were like big. But these are like workable. Well, actually, I have both of them in there, but I'll just put one back, I guess. But yeah, this will look cute with this kit. I love this kit. Obsessed with this kit. It's still in the shop, but the extras are not. And then for the foil, I am going to be using matte bronze. I don't know if anybody was surprised by that. I feel like silver would look good. Also regular gold champagne lights. A gold hollow would even look kind of cool. A matte silver, black, you know, any of that. But I'm going to be using, I think this is sparkle. That's what I called it. I'm not 100% sure. But this was with the January mystery, and the extras for it are in the shop. And this was also in January mystery, which is the birthday boxes #1, I believe, in matte bronze, which I did put the extras in shop. Somebody asked about that in the comments, and I was like, oh, it's a great idea. So I had Kirsten count, and I added those extras to the shop under that listing. And then I have some matte bronze foiled label samplers, which we don't have any currently in the like limited edition listing that I sometimes put up with new releases. I've been sold out of the matte ones, but I did place an order for those. And then I also have the matte tall and wide stroke box. So I think this is gonna be a really pretty spread, and I really love the matte bronze with it. It's definitely obviously my top pick. And yeah, my 30th birthday, which is just wild. So there's that. Also, you might have noticed there's no Easter kit because Easter is the same week. It's the day before. No. When is this? Easter's the 17th. It's going to be the day before Theo's birthday party. So I'm not doing an Easter kit. I probably won't be doing an Easter kit for, I think it's like 3 years I won't be doing one because it's always Theo's birthday, and Theo's birthday trumps Easter for me. So there you go. And then last but certainly not least is the 15th through the 1st of April. Normally Jessica's birthday is right after mine, but the way that the like weeks are separated, hers is the next week, which is Mother's Day weekend, which I'm using brunch, but I'm going to use this like really cute like red hair girl, which Jessica is back on Instagram. So if you're not following her, J Crew Plans, she's back on Instagram. So normally I use like a Jessica birthday kit and just have like birthdays throughout. But this is not Jessica's birthday week because of the way that it like separates. This is actually the 8 year for SPC. So I do have January mystery, but honestly, I am 99% sure that I'm going to switch this out. I think that I'm going to use this for Amanda's birthday, possibly, which is in August. I'm not 100% sure, but I did pull out the Luxe foil bundle in matte bronze. It did come with that sparkle, but I didn't want to use them next to each other. And honestly, even still, if I do use this, I think it reads kind of Luxe to me without having Luxe elements. So I think that even if I use this in August, I'll still use Luxe mixed with confetti because there is little confetti bits in with the Luxe. So it'll be a really nice pull together. And then I do have like the freebies and the doodles with it as well. And then I'll probably actually put whatever quote boxes I don't use from this in with this one. But I'm 99% sure, the percentage just keeps going up, that I'm going to be using the 8-year kit this week. Just because it is the 8-year kit. It's not like birthday or anniversary themed, but I just love it so much. And I don't know when else I'd use it. I mean, I could use it anytime because it is an anytime kit. But I think it'd be really special to use it on that week, especially because normally this week is like Jessica's birthday. So I usually try and use a birthday kit. And like I said, the next week I'm using Mother's Day, but I feel like also the brunch kit could totally be used for birthday, Mother's Day, just brunch, or I did do a grad add-on before that I think would kind of makes it for anything. So I'm sorry for the noise. I really hope that you can't hear it. It's driving me insane. But that is everything for this month's lineup. I hope that y'all like it. Let me know if we're twinning any weeks, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.